EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, July 2nd and 3rd, 2022. It is Independence Day weekend. Of course, that is Monday, but we will have another video on Monday. I normally don't have the daily forecast video on a holiday, but we are going to do that this Monday. The reason I'm doing that is a couple reasons, actually. One, we're not going to have the local forecast, the written local forecast, updated again until Tuesday. So on the website, our local regional forecast will not be updated Sunday night for Monday like it normally is. That will wait until Tuesday morning to be updated with the next update there. So I did have some things I want to look at here in the Tuesday onward period. That I want to have a video for, so we have some fresh information going into the next work week. So I will have a normal video on Monday morning as normally scheduled, despite the fact that we're not going to have the local written forecast updated that day. So that's a little programming note to start the video. The weekend video forecast is proudly sponsored by Bosergeist Brewing Company in Easton, Pennsylvania. They're located at 1250 Simon Boulevard in Easton, very close to Lafayette College. They are purveyors of fine craft beer in the Lehigh Valley with a vast beer selection from IPAs to ales to stouts and sours. They also have a fantastic menu selection, live entertainment, open mic nights, and trivia nights, and are open 5 days a week between Wednesday and Sunday. They are Bosergeist Brewing Company in Easton, proud sponsors of the weekend video forecast. Okay, so let's get into today. Today is the only day in this holiday weekend that I think we have to worry about any precipitation. After that, we should be clear sailing. There's always been a question of whether or not it was going to bleed into Sunday or not, and the question has been answered over the past couple of days. We went through a lot of different models and scenarios throughout the week, and we finally settled on the fact that today is the day, and today is the only day. So we do have the opportunity for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. There might be a few showers early this morning ahead of this cold front, and then we have a period where it kind of gets partly sunny, variably cloudy, whatever you want to call it, this afternoon, and then we'll have some storms firing for our central and southern areas, it looks like, later in the day as this cold front moves through. And here's what the European model does. It takes that through into the early evening hours, and then as we get to Sunday, we are in the clear. The front at this point here on Sunday is off to our south, so we have no worries as far as precipitation is concerned for Sunday, and we can extend this into Monday as well. So we're going to look at a partly cloudy day here on Sunday, and then mostly sunny on the holiday itself on Independence Day, with temperatures increasing a little bit from what we'll see on Sunday. So we're going to take a slight step back in temperatures on Sunday and then go back up again on Monday. Here is the NAM high-res future simulated radar, and I'm going to start this off early on Saturday morning. And I'm doing this on purpose because there was a lot of activity last night that, storms and that were across our northern areas last night, from State College through Williamsport up to the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre area, and then I kind of moved through, and then you have had another batch that was across southwestern Pennsylvania, and that kind of fizzled out, but there could be some leftover clouds and maybe a shower this morning in a few spots this morning before noon. And then we get into generally partly sunny skies. We have some breaks of sun after that point. Temperatures are not going to be as hot as they were yesterday, but they're going to be still very warm, seasonably warm for this time of year, generally mid to upper 80s for many of you. Maybe 90 down here by the Philadelphia region. You see above me the spread in temperatures is 82 to 90, and there's just a bigger spread there because the front is going to be through the northern areas a little bit faster today. As that front moves off to the south and east, we're going to have some storms firing. But you see it starts firing right here in our central areas and then hits points south and east from there. This is looking at 4 p.m., and as I move this forward, you get these scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through southeast PA, northern New Jersey, and continues down into southern New Jersey before it gets off the coast. And this process is going to take us all the way through the evening. So by the time we get to 8 o'clock is when you're getting into some storm activity here in Philadelphia, and that continues off to the south and east and clears the coast right around midnight. But this will initiate generally mid-afternoon. So our window for any severe weather today, which is possible, is going to be between generally after maybe the mid-afternoon through mid-evening is the severe window. After that, even though we have still some storms going on here past mid-evening, these should not be severe anymore, or at least we don't think it will be. We'll continue to monitor that throughout the day today with the progress of these storms. But what can we expect from the storms today? It's mainly a wind, damaging wind gust potential here, wind gust to 60 miles per hour possible. You could have some small hail, very heavy rainfall is possible in any of these storms. You have a very high precipitable water content today, so that will aid in the heavy rain and then torrential downpours in the storms. The good thing about these storms is they're going to be moving. The shear is high enough that it should continue to move, so they're not going to sit over and train over the same areas over and over again. It looks like it's just a quick in and out deal. And if you have a party going today, at any given location, it looks like you're generally dealing with one storm or a line of storms coming through that are going to last 30 to 45 minutes, and then the sun comes back out. Okay, so this is not going to be an all-day thing. It's just in that window, most notably between 3 and 9 p.m. is when you can have that severe potential, and then, of course, some storms continuing past 9 p.m. down to the southern New Jersey areas, and that should be it. Also, frequent lightning with the storm today because we're going to have a very high instability to deal with some very hot and muggy environment ahead of these storms. But once that moves through, we have nothing after that point. We get to Sunday, we're clear. Monday, we're clear. Actually, Monday's going to be back to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures tomorrow 80 to 87 is the spread, and we're going to bump that back up again a couple degrees going into almost a Memorial Day, almost. The 4th of July on Independence Day itself, which will be a little bit warmer across the region, maybe like an 84 to 90 degree spread in temperatures here on the holiday itself. Then we have these systems that we're going to be dealing with. This is the first of several coming in on Tuesday, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to do the video here on Monday and not skip it. Not just because we're not doing the local forecasts. I want to start looking at what's going on here next week. Okay, so I want to see what the details of this is. It looks like you're going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening here again on Tuesday. With this short wave moving through, there still could be an isolated storm or shower or storm here on Wednesday that we left in the forecast. And then there's going to be another system coming in either Thursday or Friday, or maybe both. Looks like toward the end of the week that we're going to have to watch as well. And this could be another severe weather producer here as well as we get into a northwesterly flow aloft. Next week, the temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler relative to average, but not cool. It's going to be in the 80 to 85 degree range, it looks like, for most of the week once we get beyond Monday for the rest of the week. And it's probably going to be like that for a while. It looks like it's going to go through the middle of the month. We're going to have those temperatures generally in that 80 to 85 degree range. No real heat waves coming here in the next couple of weeks, it looks like. But we'll have as high pressure and the ridge that is over the southeastern United States retrogrades to the southwestern part of the United States, the Four Corners region. We're going to get into a northwesterly flow aloft, which is going to have we're going to have a parade of systems every couple days coming right near or over our area. So we'll have to watch for some severe weather if that is in fact the case. But we'll take those individually one at a time. The first one's going to be Tuesday, and I will update that again with the next video forecast scheduled for Monday morning on Independence Day itself. So if I don't see you again before then, have a happy and safe Independence Day weekend, and I'll see you again Monday for the next daily forecast video. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is the outlook for the weekend, July 2nd and 3rd, 2022. Have a great Saturday, Sunday, and Independence Day.